Hi there, it's me again, JR, your U-Haul moving expert. Today I've enlisted Todd and Jesse to show you the best practices on how to pack your U-Box container so your prized possessions stay protected, no matter if you're moving across the country or across town. Even during quick moves, items shift around, and if you're not careful, you will end up needing to replace some valuable belongings. Todd and Jesse just had their U-Box container delivered, and included with their rental is the free use of furniture pads. These are essential to keeping your things safe during your move. Go ahead and use these to wrap your furniture before you start loading the U-Box container. Also, before loading all of your items, it is important that you organize them. The foundation of a successful move is a concept that professionals call tiers. Tiers are created from the back of the U-Box container to the front. Each tier is built in rows, with the heaviest items on the bottom, and each row after that is lighter than the row beneath it. Once you make it to the ceiling, it's time to start the next tier. Before you start loading, you'll want to plan each tier, like Todd and Jesse did here in their driveway. With each tier, keep these things in mind. Protect your furniture with furniture pads. Fill in any empty spaces between tiers to keep things from shifting. And load things modularly. What's that mean? Well, have you ever played Tetris? Put similar sized items together and it would help you maximize space. The more items you put in boxes, the easier this will be. If you're packing a mattress, make sure to use our mattress protector. It will prevent any dirt and dust during moving and storage. Mattresses are usually loaded first or last and put on the side of the U-Box container. Lighter boxes can be placed on top to complete the tier. If you're loading it last, just make sure to keep enough space open so you don't have to redo any of your hard work. When you can, deconstruct furniture, like this table or this couch, and wrap up the individual pieces. Either slide the smaller pieces into gaps in existing tiers or put them in boxes on a higher row of a tier. With its legs off, the couch can be stood on end, so you have room for more tiers. The table will be put on a higher row of a tier later on. Todd and Jesse don't have any large appliances like a refrigerator going in their U-Box container today. But if you do, you'll want to leave the space in the middle of the container so the weight distribution is even. Todd and Jesse's heaviest item is their dresser, so they'll put it in the middle. When packing your TV box, you'll want to load it onto a higher row of a tier so it doesn't get crushed. Placing it on top of a dresser or TV stand with solid objects on each side will keep it from moving or from anything falling and hitting you during your move. Todd and Jesse are using their table that they took apart earlier to help keep their TV box secure in this tier. Now, what to do with those rugs? If your rugs are heavy, leave space to stand them up. But if they're light enough, you can slide them on the very top. Final packing tip. Snap a photo as you complete each tier so you remember exactly what's in your U-Box container. This is especially helpful if you have multiple containers. Once you're done loading, you can upload your photos and inventory list to your account on uhaul.com for easy reference. Every move is different, but if you use these packing tips, you can take advantage of all the space in your U-Box container. And more importantly, keep your things safe. Whether you're using the U-Box container for storage in your driveway or transporting it across the country. For more packing tips or information on reserving your U-Box container, visit the site on screen. Until next time, I'm JR, your U-Haul moving expert. Happy and safe moving.